How did it feel when your brother died?
Like the most important thing in my life was taken away from me.
Don't you think you're exploiting your brother's legacy?
All I ever wanted my whole life was to be like my brother. I looked up to him and I wanted to be him. I worked my entire career, my life, so I could have the opportunity, so I could work there next to him. And we finally made it. We were there, and we had it. And then it was taken away from me. What am I supposed to do? Let him become a mausoleum? Let everybody forget about what he stood for, what he fought for, what he believed in? They wanted to forget about me. They wanted to forget about all of us. We made them remember. We made them all remember.
Yes, we did.